Hi guys, this is TK the Tech. So today I have a 2005 Honda Odyssey power window regulator. So the customer came to me and asked and said that his power window motor is not working, and I looked at it, and then I diagnosed it being a power window regulator. Very common problem with these. This is not a installation video because I'm pretty sure you guys can find tons and tons of window regulator replacement videos. But let me change the view. But this is actually after the fact that when I installed the window regulator, the window would still go up very slow. And it was like I had never replaced the regulator, and after looking around, after checking things out, I found out that it's a very small. I don't know if it's a mistake or it's something that I just learned, but I wanted you guys to know so that when you install a new regulator, and in fact the regulator is bad, because when I connect the regulator, the motor hardly pushes this piece up and down, which the window mounts on. So this is the OEM regulator, and I already have installed an aftermarket one. But so the repair was that the window was still, after the installation of the new regulator, window was still not going up as freely as it is going up now, which I can show you. Find the bloody damn key. Here it is. So now you'll see that the window is going up and down very smoothly. Usually it's very slow, and right up here, right here, it gets very slow. So so I did a regular installation, but after I looked into it and did some well, not research, but did some tweaking, I found out that when I installed the regulator, I just installed it on basis on the, I guess, where the screws mounted, and that's it. Everything, I didn't bother adjusting it. But apparently you gotta adjust it, because I guess the window is so sensitive that it has to sit perfectly centered. So to do that, what I did was, I'm not gonna do it now because it's good now. I'm not gonna touch it. But so these are the 4 bolts that hold the regulator. This piece right here that goes up and down. So I loosened these up, and then I was able to, let me bring it down a little. I was able to loosen these 2 up, and then I lifted the motor up. And if you lift the motor up, if you lift the window up, you will see that it goes very smoothly. Because these were, although they're very small holes, and they would sit, but I guess there's such a small tweaking to it that it does really matter. So what I recommend doing is leave these 4 bolts loose, and lift the window up, and then tighten these up. So then you'll get a perfect alignment, and the window will be not as sluggish as what mine was. I wish I would have taken the video before. But I mean, it's still kind of sluggish, but because this molding is old, I use a silicone spray. But you know, there's so much you can do. But when I installed the other one, it was stalling almost with the brand new one, because I guess the alignment was that off. I hope this helps you guys, and I would appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up, and have any questions, any comments. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you.